Hi, this is Dr. Annette Mercatante from the St. Clair County Health Department, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about our new pre-registration system that went live on Friday. As you know, that system is taking names, pre-registration for COVID vaccine, and at this time we have over 10,000 people who have registered, and over 6,000 of those people are over the age of 65. So the system is working. We have a good handle on who is in there and how to get things scheduled, but it obviously needs some work, and we have some bugs to work out. So let's walk through some of the common complaints and concerns that we're getting. And I just want to start by saying we apologize for this inconvenience and the frustration it's causing. We're going to work through this and get this right. So the first question we're getting a lot is, what's the phone number, text code, or email address that will accompany the notification? So the phone number is 781-373-9800. The text ID is 88911, and the email comes from the St. Clair County Vaccine Distribution. The caller ID may identify as a Massachusetts phone number. So we're looking into updating this to put our local numbers in there, but in the meantime, that is the source that you'll receive your notifications from. So how do I know I signed up properly in the system? So unfortunately, this system will not receive a message stating you are pre-registered. We were surprised too. So you finish all of you create your user ID, your password, you go into the system, you put your name and all the information that's requested. It'll say save at the bottom of each page, and then finally you'll reach the bottom where it'll say finish. The finish button, once you hit the finish button, means that all that information has now been inputted into your account. You'll also see at the top your login and your username, so you know that you have properly submitted this information. Then what will come up is just a summary page that we urge you to review and look at and make sure no edits are needed. But that is the only notification you will receive from the system currently that tells you that you have successfully registered. So just know that, okay? You won't get any, you've completed, congratulations, anything like that. So, can I go back and edit my account information? And yes, you can. But it appears that the system tracks the date of your last entry and may move you from your original placement when you first submitted your registration to when you made those changes. We are working on updating this, but for now, please try and put all the information in accurately at the time you first register. And it's a great time that field pops up and it gives you all of the information. It gives you a chance to edit it right then and there. Please do so at that time so that the information is stored at that point in time on our list. So the appointment confirmation will arrive whatever method you selected to receive your notification. And whatever you select to confirm that notification, will accept it. So you do not have to accept your notification multiple ways. Whatever way you receive it, whether it's your text or your email, once you confirm that appointment or you select your choice of that appointment, then it's done. So option 1 you'll get is yes to confirm the appointment. You'll have option 2, not available at this time, and option 3 is no longer needs my appointment. So again, you just need to pick one of those options. It'll return us to the system and we'll know where you are in the course of that appointment. So what if I miss my appointment, to my window to confirm? And you'll receive this confirmation, or you'll receive this appointment notification and have 1 hour to confirm it or to decline it, as we just discussed. So if you miss this window, you will be contacted, your name will go back in the queue, and you will be contacted as soon as the next appointment becomes available. You do not lose your placement, but you do not receive an appointment. If you click on to confirm that appointment later than 1 hour, it won't go through. So please don't show up at one of our clinics if you did not receive this confirmation that you're coming, okay? So that's a really important thing. What time do you send out our notifications? And actually, this should only occur during regular business hours. And we know on Friday, we were working very late into the night to work on this system, and people did receive notifications quite a bit later, and we apologize for that. But moving forward, you should be receiving your appointment notification during business hours. Again, you'll have an hour to pick your option, either to confirm the appointment, decline it, or to take yourself out of the system. And hopefully that'll be enough time for most people to figure out what they want to do. So all individuals living or working in St. Clair County can pre-register for the COVID vaccine on the Health Department's website. That's www.scchealth.co. And then you click on the pre-registration for COVID-19 link, and it takes you through this process. Now, this is a pre-registration system only. It's a placeholder for vaccine, and no financial information such as your social security number, credit card information, none of that will ever be asked. So we are asking basic health insurance information for future potential of billing opportunities, but there is no out-of-pocket expense for this vaccine, okay? So, for seniors 65 and older needing assistance with the online pre-registration process, you can certainly ask a family member or friend or neighbor for help. It is actually, after all this, is a pretty straightforward, simple process to register. You can call the Council of Aging at 1-800-297-0099 or your local senior center, but that is only for assistance and registration. They can't help you with the technical problems we have with the system. You can also dial 211 for assistance, and they have a link to our website to know where to go to help you register. So these are all inconveniences, not necessarily minor, because they're all sources of frustration and aggravation, which was the whole point of finding a system like this that we could build to reduce your aggravation. But we are confident we can move forward and make the system better. At least we know now how many people are waiting vaccine, and you have a place to go to enter that queue. And we're looking forward to serving you better as we move through the next couple of weeks, working out the bugs in this system. Thank you very much for your patience, and we continue to look forward to a safer and healthier spring. Thanks.